this is Thomas with Brain Trust Digital. I'm a full stack developer obsessed with learning. If you're interested in learning full stack, please subscribe below to receive new content. In this video, we'll be starting a new series, AWS Rails. This series will be comprised of tutorials focused on the integration of AWS into your Rails applications. Some videos may be more Amazon specific, while others may be more Rails focused, but the goal here is to bridge the gap so that you can get your application off of your local machine and into the cloud. Now we're going to jump right in with the first video of the series, which will be AWS focused. We're going to walk through how to purchase a domain using AWS Route53 for a Rails app. Amazon defines Route53 as a highly available, scalable domain name system. You can use Route53 for 3 tasks: purchasing domains, managing DNS, and health checks. We're going to be covering DNS management and health checks in future tutorials. So if you'd like to follow along, as a prerequisite to this video, all you'll need is a domain name available for purchase. The domain we're going to be purchasing in this case is aws+rails.com. This is going to cost us about $12 per year. In later videos, we're going to attach this domain to an EC2 instance to serve our Rails application. This will serve as a demonstration or a sort of playground for future tutorials. AWS has so many services, it can sometimes be difficult to remember which service to use for a specific task. Route53 is supposedly named after iconic Route 66, where the numbers 53 are a reference to the TCP UDP ports, 53 used for DNS. So I hope that helps you remember. With all that out of the way, let's get into the series.
The first thing we're going to do is visit aws.amazon.com. You're going to need to create an account if you don't have one. In my case, I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and click Sign into the console. Fill in your username and password to log in. We'll click in the Find Services search bar. We're going to type in Route53. Then click on the service. Next, click into the search bar to search for a domain. The domain we're going to be purchasing is aws+rails. We're going to leave the extension on .com. We're going to click Check. This is available. We're going to add it to the cart and click Continue. I'm going to hide my personal information here. But this is where you will enter the contact information for the registrant. It's a quick tip: you're going to want to enable privacy protection if it's not already done. Then click Continue. Next, if this is the domain you're going to want to automatically renew, be sure to enable that here. Finally, you have to click the Accepting of the Terms and Conditions, and then click Complete Order. Here we see the success message: our order is being processed. So we can click Close and wait for our domain to finish registering. So I hope you're as excited for this new series as I am. And as always, please remember to like and subscribe below. This really helps out the channel as we're just getting started here. Feel free to ask questions or make requests in the comment section below. And I'll catch you in the next Amazon Rails tutorial.